Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 21st to the 27th. And I think this is really the week to stock up. We have some reasonable deals both curbside and in-store, and a lot of us are just stocking up because you know what? Paper doesn't expire. You have extra Walgreens cash or register rewards. It's the item to buy. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it because we love a good paper video. Am I not right? Okay, so the first two deals that I'm going to show you in this video are done curbside. That means that you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, ordering it, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. That is called a curbside, and you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. So the first deal, curbside. Hopefully that's crystal clear. For this one, we're going to be grabbing one of these really fancy 9 equals 36 Charmins, either in the strong or the soft for $12.99. Some accounts got a $5 off, which is a wild coupon, like $5 off for this. Yes. The second item we're going to throw into the basket because we're extra fancy is the $6.99 puffs, and there's an additional $3 coupon that appeared the week previous, and it appeared again this week. So that's going to make that $3.99. So, I mean, it's just fantastic. Now, why doing this curbside is so much better than buying these items in store is you can actually use the code WAG10 to save $1.20. So as you see, I typed in the promo code WAG10, $1.20 came off. And then you have $8 with the two manufacturers melting off as well. The overall total for this basket is $19.98. WAG10 taking $1.20 off. Free curbside pickup, tax, $8 right there. $11.91. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.91 and call this a spectacular deal. I know a lot of you don't really want to be in store shopping, or you're pressed for time or busy. I think this is the deal to do because it's just great paper products using $10 of Walgreens cash. If you guys remember last week, we got two different $2 digital coupons for the Scott toilet paper and the paper towel. Now, if you used these coupons last week, sadly, you can't do this deal again because you're not going to get the $4 of savings. And the $2 register reward is no longer printing. That was last week's promotion. So to a basket, we're going to throw in two of these toilet papers for $7.50 on a buy one, get one 50% off. And as you see, my 2 off 2 digital coupon is melting off right there. I'm going to let you guys know too, you can either grab this 12 count or the scented 6 count, which is a lavender smell. But I know a lot of you don't appreciate that, so this would be the one that's unscented. Also to the basket, we're going to throw in 2 of these paper towels for $5 each. And the buy one, get one 50% off is going to make it $7.50, and that additional 2 off 2 manufacturer is also coming off. So as you can see, guys, $2 using the code WAG10, an additional $1.10 melting off. You can't get that in store. You can get that curbside though. So that's why it's worth it for that. I mean, it basically covers your tax. It's just smart. $15, WAG10 taking off $1.10, 83 cents in tax, $4 in manufacturers. So the total here is $10.73. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay the 73 cents and call this a really good deal. So it basically makes each unit of paper like $2.50. I think that's a stock up price. Now we are in store because we're doing deals specifically with register rewards. This one is to buy 3 of these Angel Soft toilet papers, get back a $3 register reward, and they are 2 for $9. The third one will ring up at $4.50. We also have a $1.50 digital that's stacking with this, and these are smaller packs. So if you're really pressed for space in your stockpile, these can really be Jenga'd in somewhere with your paper products because they're a smaller pack. Small but mighty because they're 24 units in that 6er. So 3 of these will be $13.50. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward. making it $9 for the 3 or $3 per bag of 6 rolls of toilet paper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up if you like this. Angel Soft is not really a Charmin or a Cottonelle. It's not as lush, but if you have a bunch of teenage boys or a husband that does not care, I mean, this is definitely the item, especially if they eat toilet paper in your spare bathroom. Speaking from experience, this is definitely the one to stock up because it's still a nicer toilet paper, and it lasts a long time. The next deal that we're doing in store is deal number 4, and this is to grab a hodgepodge, like a mix of P&G products that are tagged at $5.49. Now, I have $1 off a paper towel, an Essentials, a Charmin 4-roll, and then the Puffs 3-roll. So that's $4 in digital coupons. Look through what you might have. This is to spend $20 to get back a $5 register reward. So grabbing an assortment of these P&G paper products, that's $21.96. Subtracting, again, the $1 off the Puffs, the $1 off the Charmin Essentials, which is the yellow one, the 4 count of the soft or strong Charmin, another $1 off, and then $1 off the Bounty. That's $4 off right there. You're going to pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal for some cheaper paper, especially if you like the fancier line. And I will not yell at you for that because we all like fancy stuff. This shampoo register reward, it's actually working on anything in the store, and I did pick up some paper and use this, and it's scanning. So if your cashier is going to read every line and say you absolutely can't use it, then that's a big old pass. But if they'll scan it, you can use up to 1 per transaction to get your out-of-pockets a little less than, $17. Final 2 items we're going to talk about are somewhat honorable mentions. We have this 4-pack of the Puffs for $6.99. We have a $3 coupon making it $3.99. Use $4 in Walgreens cash or a register reward. To use that $5 one, you would be $1 short, so you'd have to grab something else to pick that up, or the register reward will not scan because you'll be like $1 and a penny short. They're a casino that does not like to lose. This is again and only for you, so only certain accounts got it. And then this promotion ends on Saturday. It's the $5 generic Walgreens paper towel with the $1.50 store coupon. It's $3.50. This is very, very similar to Sparkle if you've ever tried it. So if you are curious about it, I would definitely try it. It's especially if you have pets that make little messes. It's a very good paper towel to use. I think it's better than Scott, but that's just my humble opinion. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.